This shit dope. Oh shit. That's nice. I ain't gonna hold you. But what's good with you, Samaj? God damn, these niggas. These niggas,
shit, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it be stinking, not gonna lie. But nigga, if you get hit with a shotgun and nigga in that car, bro, you gotta redeem yourself. No GTA.
Hell yeah.
Alright, nigga, let's check out the blue car.
He got hydraulics. He got hydraulics.
Oh, he got hydraulics.
Yeah, Tess, that's what she niggas get hit. Yeah. Nigga,
How you feeling, Jay? You haven't been on the camera in a minute, man.
Shit, I'm just a little bit.
That's crazy. How you feeling, G?
Paper my shit.
How you feeling, G? You haven't been on the camera in a minute, gang. How you feeling?
Right there.
Yeah, cold as hell.
Yeah, nigga, it's cold as fuck.
Hell yeah, it's cold as hell, nigga. Everybody wrapped up besides me. I got a jacket from Shein, you feel me?
Hey, where the juice station?
Nigga got that.
Ain't right around the corner? Gas station.
Nigga, I thought you said you only had $1.
I gotta take a piss. Nigga,
Oh,
that's what that's what we just did. I got one by hand.
You ain't got no hand sanitizer?
Yo, I got
Nigga, what the? Yo, nah.
Don't touch your dick. You just talk about, hey, put this shit down.
Nigga, let's go around and walk around the car.
It's gonna make it colder. You gonna make me cold. Oh, they're gonna
Stop it, go, nigga. Oh my god. I'm sorry, bro. You dare. You pissed my nipple, bitch. What the fuck? Throw shit at me for, bitch? I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to bleep a whole bunch of these cuss words.
Nigga. Probably don't have to, because a lot of people be cussing in their video.
I'm fucking on my lip, bitch. Hey, that's the same nigga.
Nigga, stop throwing shit. Hey, stop throwing this shit, bro. Yeah.
That's that pork line. Oh, no, you throwing it on. That's that pork line.
20 minutes later.
Hold on.
This nigga.
Man, that damn bitch, I don't know who's gonna stop.
Oh, damn. Oh, you got all types of colors. The car kind of messed up though.
What's your next color you gonna paint it? I'm gonna keep this color, bro. This is my favorite color. I'm gonna just change these tail lights and GTR tail lights, fog lights. Wax. Don't wax, man. Don't wax, nigga. I ain't asked the nigga to hit that car. I bet you brought that nigga more in here and said, hey, bro, can I hit your car, cuz?
Nigga, hell no.
I'd rather do that. I'd rather do that shit.
Bet you be worth it with the niggas.
I'd rather do that shit with them niggas and
You got a car?
hit a random nigga shit at the car.
I do.
Guys get waxed for the shrooms or something, or some fentanyl. Do your clothes? Do you, get a bad bitch. This nigga. Look at this nigga. Stop it. Just stop.
Nigga. There's always niggas hating like this, nigga. Be happy, nigga.
I'm always hating. I'm a hater.
You Kendrick Lamar ass nigga.
I'm a hater.
Or Tyler the Creator, should we say?
They don't make fat people like you no more.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
They don't make big people like you no more. If I throw this bag to a crackhead, you think I get $5 back? Like, bro, they ass, bro.
How much is in the bag?
A crumb.
Shit, nah, I bet that nigga give you $12 for that shit.
That nigga get you a dub.
You know what?
Nigga, hey, let's go, nigga. Let's get away from the car, nigga. All right, tell me, come on.
Police come through this bitch. I'm not gonna sit here and run here with y'all niggas. I'm gonna be in the car already.
This nigga.
I'm not getting left.
We just gonna see some cars real quick. This is public property.
Oh, hey. I want to see Marcus. I'm trying to talk to my bitch. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm having my bitch sit on me, nigga. I ain't gonna get one.
Your girl might say this, see this, so stop calling her bitch. Yeah.
Gay.
Yeah, little nigga. Yeah, little nigga. Get your big ass on, you rectangle ass nigga.
No,
Nigga, what? I'll smack your fucking glasses, bro.
You know what, bro? Turn the camera. Turn the camera.
I'll smack your fucking
Turn the
glasses.
camera.
I'll smack your glasses.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, gang. That's crazy.
Why you trying to give me all the camera?
How the fuck you wearing pink? How the fuck you wearing pink, red, and black with doing the same shit? If you wearing khaki with red,
I don't give a fuck.
you look like a pedophile on the Sunday.
Oh.
You look like a nigga that Chris Hansen. Nigga, your ass built like this fucking lighter, bitch.
Nigga, you feel like the fucking lighter, bitch.
Hell no. You know who just built like this lighter? Hey, nigga, I ain't gonna lie. You know what this remind me of?
Nigga.
Gaslight. Nah, your ass number one gaslighter.
Was he wearing a Nuggets Rocket something fucking jersey, nigga? Nah, you fuck with the Nuggets, nah.
What you doing? What you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm about to steal the car.
I got my eyes on you, nigga.
Niggas say you gonna steal it.
Hey, get your bitch ass back here.
Neck ass. Look at this thing, bro. Enter this motherfucker. Enter it.
Few minutes later.
Is it gonna go again?
Oh shit, that nigga.
You having fun, nigga?
Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, Tonyo,
why not he
you
ready?
having fun, bro?
Huh?
You having fun, bro?
Which one y'all going?
Hey, Jay! Jay! You having fun, bro? Yeah! Oh, this is what I've been waiting for, the pink baby motherfucker.